Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5094126 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. First step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Still not working? The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5094126. Click on search and then type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case version 25H2. Then check your system type. Go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5094126. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working? Reset Windows Update components. Now for this you can copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description, so copy the command till here. Type in open notepad on your computer, paste all the command in notepad and then go to file, save as. You can save it to desktop. Name this file as wufix.bat and then click on save. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wufix bat file. Make a right click and make sure that you run this file as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now it will stop all the Windows update services. First, if you receive a prompt, do you want to continue this operation, type in Y for yes, hit the enter key. Now there are multiple scans, so these scans will take some time. Once the scans are complete, it will start all the Windows update components once again, and then once it is complete, it will close automatically. Once this is done, you have to restart your computer. This process will take some time, and after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working? The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then update. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. The download will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.